CapCut templates are a fantastic way to create high-quality videos for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube without needing much editing experience or advanced skills. So this video will walk you through a couple of simple fixes if you're not seeing the templates show up in your app. When you open CapCut on your iPhone, the templates option should appear right away in the toolbar at the bottom of your screen. If you don't see this templates button, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to the App Store and check if there's an update available for CapCut. Simply search for CapCut in the App Store, and if you see an update button instead of open, tap it to install the latest version. After a quick update, the templates should appear in your app when you reopen it. But sometimes, even with the latest version installed, you might encounter a glitch or bug that prevents the templates from showing up properly. There's a straightforward solution for this issue using a feature called Offload App. This process clears out temporary files and cached data that might be causing the problem while keeping all your projects and settings completely safe. To do this, open your Settings app, then scroll down and tap on General. From there, select iPhone Storage and wait a moment for the list to load. Now you'll want to scroll through your apps until you find CapCut on this list. Tap on CapCut to open its storage details. You'll see an option that says Offload App. Go ahead and tap on that. This will remove the app itself, but preserve all your documents and data, including your projects and settings. Wait a few seconds while your iPhone offloads the app. Once CapCut has been offloaded, you'll see a new option appear that says Reinstall App. Tap on Reinstall App and wait for it to download and install again. After the reinstallation is complete, open CapCut, and your templates should now be loading and displaying normally in the toolbar at the bottom of your screen.